if you have the DJI Pocket 3 camera here and you're looking at some accessories, I found this one right here from PellKing. This is a sun visor mount, and let's take a look at it, see if this thing really works well with it. So this is the mount that goes right onto the sun visor. It has this on it right here. It comes with these two pieces right here. Just put those two together. Tighten that on. And there you go. So here's the mount for the Pocket 3. Just insert it right into there. All right, it is a kind of a really snug fit. So I'm worried about hurting and damaging the camera. So I'm just going to use this piece right here. And I think I'm going to try to get that in here first. Making sure that I'm not blocking the release button there. It's going to be a tight fit. Even with me pushing on it, it's not coming out. So then I just make sure that the camera is in there. It's nice and snug. So I'm not really worried about the camera coming out because, like I said, it's a very snug fit. I would not recommend trying to just jam it in there. But it does hold the camera. This is what it looks like. It just clips right onto your sun visor right there. You can turn it and twist it. If it's hard to do, just adjust this knob there. So you can see there I am. If I'm going to be doing some vlogging in the car, obviously parked like this, not while you're driving, would be recommended. But if you're going to be in there and you want to do some filming, this sun visor camera mount here from PellKing, it works. It's a tight, snug fit, and I think I actually prefer that versus it being loose and easily, fall out. Now, instead of using this to hold the Pocket 3 camera, you could actually just screw it right into this mount. Just like that. Along with the Pocket 3 holder, it does come with a little phone holder as well. And you can actually attach it here or here. Just like that. So I do like the fact that you can use this both for your phone and the Pocket 3 camera. And this here is the phone mount part of it. So if I'm going to be using my phone, I can still do that as well. So it still clips on, it holds it really nice and steady there. So there you go, the visor camera mount. I'm actually filming from it right now with the phone holder. Here's from PellKing. It works pretty good.